Snow. We love the snow. Oh, Tina, you gonna be able to get back up? My goodness. Oh, here goes Layla. Loving the snow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Snow angels. Horse angels. Oh, my God. Horse angels. Look at Layla just laying there. Are you stuck? Oh my God, don't tell me you're stuck. Get up. Get up.
For a second. We'll just...
Layla.
Might just be taking it in.
Careful, Tina. Layla, you're scaring your mom. Get up. Don't roll near the barn. Go. Go. Don't roll near the barn. Come on, Layla.
Layla, come on. Hey, Layla. Up and at him.
She's like, I haven't used my legs in 2 days. Come on, Layla. You're making this video not fun anymore. Come on. Layla. Don't roll downhill, you goose. That's all they want to do is roll in it. Good girl. Easy, easy, easy. Whew. I heard your hip on that one, old lady. Be careful. Good job. Yes. Goodness. Well, at least you're all right. Don't roll near the stone either.